Что-то. Of course, missing batteries. But ничего, сейчас будем надеяться, сейчас. Let's see how she sounds. Low miles, 251 on the clock, folks. Это не просто машина. Это еще конфетка. Мыл. Что там, ребята? Что там мы прячем? Ой-ой-ой, no. But not bad. Look at that. Whee! Чё, мило? These troops are like a thing out here. I kid you not. The further it's out, the harder it goes. Иван, не будь молдаван. Тишки. Our boy Trofimov is here. I'm telling you boys, G's are the hottest commodity that hit Nicholasville. And off to Copart we go, boys. Pull in, right when you get into the gate, the car just dies, stops. Give it gas, tranny fault, the whole 9 yards. This right here, this is the вонючkas. Просто wow. Как так можно? We did it, boys. Brought both of the какашкis over. Еле доехали опять.
Dude, that's crazy.
It didn't seem so when it came up.
Can't go out that way. All this whole park usually has RVs and campers. All flooded. Wanna slap this sucker on and right now, 104 rounds, clean title from Florida. 10 штук, probably be at like 10, 8 or 9. Что там?